Hello everyone and welcome. In this video I'm going to walk you through how to change interface language online 2024. The first thing you do is open your lineup and then you tap on the gear icon at the top right corner to open up the settings. Then you scroll down to language, tap on language, and then you're going to right now set to the default language is English. So you want to change the interface language, you can choose. We have other options. We have the Japanese. We have other options, so you should recognize it. Choose the one you want, and once you tap on the one you want, and once you're done, you tap on save at the top. It's as simple as that. Hope you found this video helpful on how to change language, in this case interface language online app in 2024. Thanks so much for watching. See you in the next video. Bye for now.